the focus on the work. That's, to me, that's the number one thing, is the focus on the work. See, because a lot of cats get involved in external stuff, and they comment on external stuff online. But it's, to me, it's about the work, man. It's about the tracks. You know, it's about the tracks you're doing now. That's really, to me, that's kind of the number one thing. It's about what you're doing now. You know, I've said it then. There's a lot of guys from the '90s, and you know, they're like, well, I made this stuff in the '90s. Why am I not getting booked? I'm a legend. But you know, it's about the work. It's about the new tracks. It's about the new stuff.